Hey guys, so in this Bangin Gears video spotlight presentation, we're going to talk about this beautiful 1958 Chevy Impala behind me. So stick around. Okay guys, so we're here with the owner, Nick Guerrera. Nick, thank you so much for having me here today.
My pleasure.
So Nick is the owner, like I said, of this beautiful 1958 Chevy Impala. Nick, can you tell us a little bit about the car?
Oh, sure, I'll be glad to, because I'm so proud of this car. I originally had a 58 Chevy Impala, my first car when I was a kid. It was a black one, but I purchased this one in 2004. It wasn't completely mechanically restored, and it's still work to be done. But I've already done thousands of dollars worth of mechanical work on it. And I drive around with it, I get thumbs up. My wife and I just enjoy riding the car. It's simply a cruise car. We like to go to cruise nights with it, and we enjoy every part of this car. And I'm proud that it's a first year of the Impala.
So how long have you actually had it?
2004.
2004, so you've had it for a pretty long time. You've had almost 15, my math is right, 15 years.
Yes, yes.
Wow.
Yeah, and I have more parts in the garage to redo, but physically and appearance, all of the paint job is the same. I had some work done that was maybe a bad spot on it, but I polish it. I never wash the car. The car gets dusted off with a California brush.
California duster, yeah.
And duster. And the only thing that gets water is the white wall tires. I'll wash the white wall tires. Other than that, no water gets on this car.
So you're saying it's the original paint?
No, it's not.
Okay.
It was done by the previous owner, and he put in a 350 engine with a 700 R4 transmission. Wow. And it's not a Chevy color. It's a candy red. It's a Ford candy red. But I get a lot of compliments about this color, and I've gotten trophies when I lived in Long Island, New York, about the color, and plus it's a lot of people's choice car.
Right.
I know I'm bragging about my own car.
That's why you're on film. You're talking about your face.
I love it.
Car. All right, guys. Well, thank you very much.
You're very welcome.
I appreciate you chatting with us. Go Yankees.
Go Yankees. Go Rangers.
And we'll catch you next time on Bangin Gears.
Thank you, everyone.
Awesome. Perfect.